Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Hello everyone, I have come up with the strategy where we buy on the gold chart, XAUSD, I'm giving a test for 1st January 2015 to 4th of March 2023. It has nothing to do with time frame. Spread I have selected 30. When placing the EA, we have to take position long only, means EA will place only buy trades. For $5,000 deposits, I am checking it. These all I have kept false. Lot 0.01, lot exponent 1 means no lot increase will be there. Distance 2000 points, distance exponent 1, take profit 1000 points for 0.01 lot. 1000 points will give $10. Trailing stop 1000 points, max trade 20 trades. We can select as we type here. I put 20 trades. Small target $10 means when prices go down, buy trades are being placed. For all the trades, when the $10 profit will come, this year will close all the trades. Close and profit true, enable average true, magic any number you can put. Okay, now I'm starting it. I'll just pause it for making some beautiful chart settings. Fine. I'm starting this here. This is actually placing only buy trades. You can see price is going down. It has placed buy trades. The average take profit of $10 what we have set has come down. You can see $10, $10, 10, 10, 10, 10, minus. This minus is actually whenever the price is going down, our average take profit is coming up. So few trades, those are placed on top price, will be closed in loss, and lower trades will close in profit. This way it moves. You can see trades open distance 2000 points. 2000 points. 2000 points. Trades we have opened from higher price, but price has gone down. Buy only strategy on gold. As gold price will never go zero. It will rise only, but sometimes the price goes on a peak and then comes down and moves in between. So we will buy, close, buy, close, buy, close. See, almost half distance I am closing these trades. So very beautiful way for placing trades. Remember, whenever you are withdrawing the money, just remove this EA till the withdrawal process is completed, and again place the EA. Seven-year data I am taking, 2015 to almost over 2022. On 4-hour charts I am watching this, how the price has gone down, and on an average price it is closed. In practical life, you won't have time. You see, just you see what this candle is showing when this price has come down. You can see the time below. 12:16. You might be having lunch, or you might be sleeping, or you might be going to office. The EA will be keeping working on backhand. No worry of time when the trades are being placed. EA will look for your things. The trades will open, buy only. Main thing, the account will continue in profit. Without any tensions. When the price is going where, or manually placing trades and adjusting the trade. Nothing like pending order. Manually placing pending order on the exact price, very difficult, and counting where the profits will come, that is also very difficult. So here the automation works. You see. It made low price and crossed again. What do you do? In the market, trades are being placed by computers, and we will be able to handle this market by automation, computers only. Look, again and again it is breaking the low price. This is a practical problem. How to manage? You see, from where trades are open. April 2022, October has come. Trades are open. It is very patience. In business, we have to be very patient. Wherever you invest, for money and growth, one has to be very much patient. You just see. Since April, the trades are open. And in December, these all trades closed on a small target. Let's have a view on the report. 5,000 deposit, net profit 4652, 7 years, almost doubled. Maximum drawdown 3673. Total trades were 692 trades. In profit, in losses 229 trades. So whenever the profit trades are more and loss trades are less, account will be in profit. Total long positions were 921 trades in these 7 years. Gross profit $10,644. Gross loss 5992. So overall, the trades will be profit. I can give you this strategy also with some minimum price. How beautiful it is. Let's have a watch on Corona period. 2020 January, 2020 January. There was a virus in 2020. You can see 21, 2020 November and December here. This is the period where virus was there, and how beautifully this robo made money for past 7 years. Thank you for being with ICHAKR. I'll be keep posting such needy things. This video I have made on market demand for strategy, buy only. On gold, XAU USD.